going to South America for something fantastic. Stick around to see what we have for you. Hi, welcome to Layla's International Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Milanesa a Caballo, an Argentinian dish consisting of thin slices of meat such as beef or chicken, which is breaded, fried, and served with an egg on top. It's an easy, inexpensive food that is also delicious. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell your family and friends about my channel. Let's start. For 3 servings, you need to have a half pound of extra thin top round beef cutlets. I'm tenderizing the meat on one side and I will then flip it over to do the same thing to the other side. Next, add a teaspoon each of cumin, paprika, chili powder, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, as well as salt and pepper to taste. I'm using a cup of crushed crackers, but you can also use breadcrumbs. I like crackers because they give the Milanesas a special flavor. Now, mix your spices and add half to the breadcrumbs. You should save the rest of the spices for the eggs. Next, beat 2 eggs, then add the rest of the spices to the eggs. Now, let's assemble the Milanesas. First, dip the meat into a cup of flour and cover it evenly. Then, dip the meat into the egg mixture. Last but not least, dip the meat into the breadcrumb and spice mixture and cover it evenly. In a large frying pan, set on medium heat and add about half a cup of cooking oil. I'm using coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, add the Milanesas. I'm cooking each side for 2 to 3 minutes. Because they are thin slices, they don't take long to cook. When ready, place them on a towel to get rid of the excess oil. And frying eggs to place on top of the Milanesas. Look at this wonderful dish. It looks so appetizing. You can serve it by itself or with a side of mashed potatoes, rice or vegetables, or even use it to make sandwiches. I'm sure everyone in your family will enjoy it. Bon appetit!